Soft Vadas. Hi, hello, Vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I am Kacha Jaykumar. Now we are going to see a lovely soft Vadas. These Vadas are a dream of everybody to have it nice and get it right. So do try this method. Just follow the steps. You are sure to get a lovely soft Vadas. So we are going to look into how to do this lovely soft vadas. See, the foremost thing, very important thing in this would be soaking of the urad dal. So mostly the full urad dals will be good for this, but in case if you are able to get only the half ones, you can use that also, but this will be more preferable to get the right texture. So now this soak it for at least 1 hour, half an hour to 1 hour, but 1 hour will be more best. So let's drain the water completely and take it in this condition. So now we are going to use the grinder, no problem, the same procedure, just drain the water completely and put it into your grinders, and then instead of adding water we are going to add ice cubes. The same procedure, but okay, look at this, slowly getting ground. So we'll have to wait for some more time and now add one more cube. I'm adding 2 ice cubes. How the texture has improved, the batter is becoming very smooth. Now have a look at the texture of this batter. Can you see it's got a shiny coat on top of it, and there are no lumps. You cannot find any small bits in this. So then that means this batter is done. So let's remove it and do the procedure with the rest of the urad dal. This is how it will sound. So now our batter is ready. Let's make it fluffy. Let's add some salt to this. 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Now here we have the peppercorns. Now sometimes this whole peppers, when they are on the side of the vadas, they can burst. So just to avoid that, what we are going to do is just crush them like that, and then we will use it. Add this. You can use a whipper like this, a wooden ladle, or a spatula to mix this batter well and into a fluffy texture. We can even add onions with some salt and then add to the batter. That will also give a good taste, but depends, because now if it is going to be festive season, you don't want to add onion, then you can use just this peppers. Now here our batter is ready and done. So if at all you feel it is little, the consistency has become little watery, or some mistake has been done, then do not worry, just place it into your refrigerators for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, your oil can get heated in the stove, and then we will do our vadas. I've tested the oil, it's hot already. So take a bowl of water like this, dip your fingers nicely, and then make a ball out of this batter. A small portion, a small round like this. Now the center hole is done just to have a even cooking, so that all the sides get cooked so well. That's why we make a center hole. So you can do it according to your convenience. The bubbling of the oil has come down, and can you see there is a nice golden brown color appearing on the surface of the vadas. So this is the right time we can remove it. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making the lovely Medu Vadas. They are really soft, at the same time crispy. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like. Subscribe to Dosa to Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.